guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Che in case you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, of course, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it is a exciting video. Finally, another wig video for you guys. Alright, so I finally able to try a lace front wig, and of course this one is from Feshfen Beauty. I love everything Feshfen. If you guys don't know, all my wigs are from Feshfen Hair and Beauty. Alright guys, so this is the Feshfen Blonde Ombre. It is long synthetic lace front wig with 180 density. It is super long as you can see. And I love that it's not super blonde here. And kind of like ombre, brown ombre color. Alright, so when you purchase the wig, it doesn't come with a styrofoam head. I purchased this one myself and I got it from Amazon. I believe this is only $4. The packaging looks like this. It is white and it has silver detail on it. And it looks like this. I always unbox my Feshfen wigs, so you already know what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and when you open it, it actually comes with a white net, so your wig is secure, which is pretty awesome. And it comes with a hair cap, a hair comb duo, and just an extra jewelry. I believe this is a choker. So that's about it. Alright, so before we get started, disclaimer, I am not a professional, I am not a hairstylist. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do this. So basically, I'm just gonna show you guys my method that actually works for me and might work for you as well. So I think without any further ado, I'm just gonna shut my mouth and let's go ahead and let's get started. And then there you go, guys. This is the final look, and I'm actually pretty impressed how it turned out. It wasn't so hard to fix the hairline because, I don't know, it actually is so perfect. I didn't glue this wig because it is 3 a.m. right now and I'm going to sleep after. So actually it is pretty secure. Also, after I washed this and ironed this, I also plucked some hair right here. If you're interested with this particular wig, I will surely put the link down below. And then there you go, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you find this video very interesting. In the meantime, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye, guys. This one right here and enough. Do you want to play with brushes?